Hello friend, welcome to my channel Quest for Education. Today I am discussing 10 mathematics question for the student who is preparing for the Johar Navodaya Vidyalaya exam. Let's start, and before we start, one thing I would remember you that don't forget to subscribe my channel. Question number 1.
When the expression 35.624 minus 26.510 is divided by 14, the quotient is. So first we subtract these two numbers. After that I divided the result by 14. So 35.624 26.510, that is 411.99. So after that I divide the number with 14. So 14. First we put point over there. After that 684 71 4 1. So answer is 0.651. So 0.651 is the right answer. Coming to the next question, sum of first 10 odd number is. So question number 2, we write odd number, that is 1, 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11 plus 13 plus 15 plus 17 plus 19, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So if we add the number, we get 100. How can I add quickly it? First 90 plus 1, 20, 190, 20, this 3 and 17, 20, 5 and 15, 20, 7, 13, 20, and 9 and 11, 20. That is 20 into 5, that is 100. So answer is 100. D is the correct answer. Question number 3. The next term of the series 4, 7, 11, 18, 29. First we closely watch this series. We get that first add 3. After that we add these two number, we get the third. After that we add 7 plus 11, we get 18. After that we add 11 with 18, we get 29. So next term is 18 plus 29, that is 29 plus 18, 47. So A is the right answer. Coming to the next question. Question number 4. What will be the sum of prime number in the following numbers? First we closely watch the prime number in this series. So 17, after that 8 is not prime number, 21 is not prime number, 13 is prime number. So 13 plus 41 plus 2 plus 31, we add both all the number, we get 104. So A is the correct answer. Question number 5. The equivalent decimal of 5 plus 4 by 10, 8 by 10, it is not 10, there is a printing mistake, it's become 100 and it's thousands. So we have to calculate the answer. So first we convert it into decimal. So first 5 plus 0.4 plus 0.08 plus 0.007. We sum of all this number is 5.487. So C is the right answer. Coming to the next question, question number 6. If the area of a rectangle field whose dimensions are 64 meter by 36 meter is equal to the area of a square field, then the side of a square is. So 6 number, area of rectangle 64 into 36. So this is also the area of a square. So one side of square that is 64 into 36, that is 48. So 48 is the correct answer, B. 7. A car moving from Asansol to Kolkata, which is 210 km apart, at the speed of 60 km per hour at 9:30 in the morning. After what time will the car arrive Kolkata? First, we calculate it in unitary method, that is 60 kilometer per hour. So 60 kilometer cover in 1 hour, 1 kilometer cover in 1 by 60 hour, 210 kilometer cover in, that is so 3, that is 3 hour 30 minutes 3 hour 30 minutes. So it's arrive Calcutta, it's 9:30, 3 hour 30, that is 001 carry 10 plus 3, that is 13 or 1 p.m. 13 o'clock, that is 1 p.m. So C is the right answer. Question number 8. 30 men can do a work in 20 days. How many more men would employ to complete the work in 15 days? First, we calculate it in unitary method. 8. To complete the work in 20 days, men require is 30. 1 days may require to 30 into 20. 15 days man require 30 into 20 by 15. That is 40. So 40 men required to complete the work in 15 days. So there is 30 men over there and we have already 30. So we have to engage 10 more men. So D is the right answer. Question number 9. Ram got 15 marks less than Sam. Sam got 5 marks more than Karan. If the total marks are 112 or 112, then marks obtained by Karan is. First, we write it in this way. Karan get K. After that, Sam get 5 marks more than Karan, that is K plus 5, and Ram got 15 marks less than Sam, that is k plus 5 minus 15. So we add both three, we get k plus 5 minus 15 plus k plus 5 plus k, that is 112, or 3k minus 5 112, or 3k, or 3k equal to 112 plus 5, that is 117, or k equal to 117 by 3, that is 39. So marks obtained by Karan is 39. B is the right answer. Question number 10. The bar chart given below show the interest of student in certain classes. 30 student interested in playing, reading only 10, singing 40, drawing and dancing 20, and dancing 50. So questions, we have interest of student more than 30 and less than 50. So more than 30 and less than 50 is 40. So singing. So A is the correct answer. A, singing. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, press the like button and share it to your friend.